Now I'll show how to draw this. Here, when the base is on the HP, we will get the true shape and size in the top view. So while drawing the top view, the another information given is one of its face is inclined 30 degrees to VP. That means we have to keep one side of the square inclined 30 degrees to this XY line. Now this is the top view of the cube. I have named the top base as A, B, C, D, and I have named the bottom base as E, F, G, H. Now from the top view we will project the front view. Now see how we will get the front view. This is the front view. Here this is the top base A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash. This is the bottom base E dash, F dash, G dash and H dash. Now here you observe DH, this particular face edge is totally invisible when you are seeing like this. That's why in the front view we have represented that with the dashed line. This is the axis in the front view. This is the axis in the top view. Now we have to represent the section plane. Now here I have represented the section plane with its horizontal trace, because section plane is perpendicular to HP. When the section plane is perpendicular to HP, we have to represent that with its horizontal trace and it is parallel to VP. So I have drawn this HT parallel to XY, and distance of this section plane from the axis is 12 mm. This is the 12 mm distance. Now we have to identify the cutting points of this section plane and the edges of the cube. Now observe, this HT is the cutting AB face edge at the top base, and it is also cutting BC at the top base, and this cutting plane HT is cutting EF at the bottom base, FG also at the bottom base. Now AB and BC are on the top side. That means when you are seeing from the top, this cutting point with respect to AB and with respect to BC are visible. Now I am identifying the cutting points which are visible. Now observe, this cutting point 1 is with respect to HT and AB, that is visible, and I am moving from H to T, and I am identifying the another cutting point with respect to BC and HT, that is 2. That means 1 and 2 are visible cutting points when I am seeing from the top. Next I will move in the opposite direction, that is from T to H, and I will identify the invisible cutting points. Now observe, 3 and 4 are invisible cutting points. 3 is with respect to FG and 4 is with respect to FE. Now I have to project these cutting points to the front view. Now I am projecting these cutting points to the front view. Now observe, this one cutting point is on AB, so automatically I will get 1 dash in between A dash and B dash. This cutting point 2 is on BC, so automatically I will get B dash in between 2 dash in between B dash and C dash. 3 is with respect to FG, so automatically 3 dash I will get in between F dash and G dash. 4 is with respect to EF, so automatically 4 dash I will get in between E dash and F dash. F dash is somewhere here, E dash and F dash. Here I will get 4 dash. Now join 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash points to get this sectional front view. Something like this I have joined. This is the sectional front view. Here in the front view itself we are getting the true shape of the section, because section plane is parallel to VP.